Preparing for Writing Conferences and Festivals, a guide for new writers. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into an essential topic for budding writers: preparing for writing conferences and festivals. These events can provide golden opportunities for networking and personal growth. So, how can you get the most out of them? Let's find out. Writing conferences and festivals are more than just gatherings. They're platforms where 1. Authors showcase their work. This is a chance to share your writings and gain feedback. 2. Learning takes center stage. Through workshops, panels, and lectures, you can deepen your craft. 3. Networking happens. You'll meet fellow writers, agents, publishers, and more. Before attending any event, it's essential to know what you want to achieve. 1. Determine your main objective. Are you looking to learn, network, or pitch your work? 2. Set measurable targets. This might mean attending a set number of workshops or meeting a certain number of potential collaborators. Get a good grasp of what to expect. 1. Study the schedule. Know the sessions or panels you don't want to miss. 2. Get familiar with attendees. If there's a particular author or agent you wish to meet, do your homework on their work and background. If you plan to pitch your work, 1. Craft a concise summary. Be able to describe your story in a minute or less. 2. Practice. Deliver your pitch to friends or in front of a mirror to gain confidence. Ensure you have 1. Business cards, handy for networking. 2. A notebook and pen, for jotting down insights or contact info. 3. Copies of your work, if you intend to share or sell. Once you're there, 1. Participate. Join discussions, ask questions, and be present. 2. Network. Approach others, introduce yourself, and build connections. 3. Stay open. Be receptive to feedback and new ideas. Writing conferences and festivals can be transformative experiences. By preparing adequately, you not only ensure you make the most of the event, but also boost your confidence and potential for success. We hope this guide serves you well in your writing journey. Until next time, keep writing and keep growing.